Meet the OTTO DIY Robot, a highly educational robot to begin your robotics journey. This robot can walk, dance, and make over 20 dance moves with sound. There is obstacle avoidance feature too for the robot. The robot can make different tunes and dance to different songs as well, like Happy Birthday and Smooth Criminal. The robot can be programmed easily even for beginners with a graphical programming language called Blockly. It features an easy drag-and-drop block-like interface for making various movements and sounds by the OTTO robot. This robot is an ideal tool for our kids to learn about robotics, coding, and electronics. This OTTO DIY robot opens a world of endless coding activities while you program the robot to move, dance, and sing as per your wish.